I'm going to go through a number of ways, a number of examples of how to write fractions into a decimal. So whatever I'm doing here has the same value, okay, as the fraction, but learning to convert between the two of them is something that you'll need to be able to do. Okay. So if I was to write 4/10, is this number larger or smaller than 1 whole? Smaller. It is smaller than 1 whole, okay? So immediately I know that this is going to be 0 point something. 4. Okay? It is going to be 4. Why is it 4? Hold on, hand up. Why is it 4 and not 0, 4 or 0, 0, 4?
Wait, what is this?
It's out of 100 and tenths. So it's 10.
Yep.
And then tenths is one of the decimal places.
Right, so the first decimal place is tenths. There are 4 tenths, so that's where my 4 belongs. Write that down, please. Yep. So 4 over 10 or 4 tenths, as it sounds, tenths place 0.4. Okay? Pretty easy to start. Question?
When you write 0.4, could you just say 0.4 because it's 0?
That would be a lazy person's way to do it, but yes, you could. You're not lazy, are you, Nick?
Would you
Maybe. Okay.
I don't know where it is.
400ths would be what as a decimal? Jed?
0.04.
0.04. Because there are 4 hundredths. 4 out of 100, 4 over 100. There's nothing else in there. Okay. 40 hundredths. 40 hundredths. Jake.
Would it be 0.04?
No. Good guess.
0.4.
No. Adriana?
0.40.
Yeah. Or we could also just write.
0.4.
Right, same as this. Before you write down your answer though, this here, 40 over 100, okay, is the same as 4 tenths and
400.
400.
okay. It's sort of the same. No, that's not right.
Mrs. White Boy Clean over there.
Yeah.
40 over 100 does equal 4 tenths.
It does, yeah, that's right. It does equal 4 tenths. That's what I was trying to say. Thanks, Dom. Okay, so 40 over 100 is the same as 4 tenths. So that's why our answer is the same. Thank you, Dom, for helping me out there. I had a brain fart. Okay, it's the same as 0.4. Alright, so I want you to write down both that second fraction and the decimal as well. Okay? Next one. And I only chose 4 as a random number. It doesn't have any significance as such. What would this be as a decimal?
0.004.
Putting the 4 in the thousands place because it's 4 thousandths. Good. Okay, a few different ones now. Did you have a question, Charlie?
Yes.
Yep.
Oh, I had a statement kind of thing. Isn't it like, so instead of for the one that John just did,
Yep.
for any one, can you just take away the 1 from the denominator and then put the 4 there and then flip it over and then 0 and then put a point and then
What? When you do what? Yeah, I'm listening. Go.
If you flip 1 over here,
Oh, listen. Yeah, Charlie, what?
like, so you swap the 1 out for the 4, and then you flip it, so it goes 0, 0, 0, then 4, and then put 1, and then decimal, and then you...
How do you find this?
I know!
You lost me a little bit. Can you write it down and I'll check it in a sec?
What is it?
Oh, yeah, write it up here.
I know,
Oh,
actually
you
has
just
a
want to be on
decent
the video.
strategy. No,
I
never knew it was Charlie's got a decent strategy. Like, say it was 6 over 1,000.
Yep, 6 over 1,000.
You swap those two
Einstein
around,
was shook.
which makes illegal 6,000, and then you like flip it like so it's Charlie, this is recording.
Charlie's under arrest for doing
I
math.
see what you're doing.
Just
But
put the
it
7
does-
there.
It does get you to the right answer as such, but it doesn't have any mathematical value. So kind of yes, yeah, but no.
No.
It is a little confusing.
It's similar to my It's similar to my strategy. 5 times 10.
But it's technically still right.
Okay, what about this one?
Yeah.
Okay, 46 over 100. 46 hundredths, yes, Dusty. 0.46, yeah. What I was trying to do before when I confused myself was another example like this. So that is 40 plus 6. Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
40 hundredths
Yes.
plus the 6 hundredths, so we've got 4 6, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Last one, I think.
Charlie actually made a decent strategy.
Okay, as a decimal. So this is a mixed number, yeah?
Oh.
1 whole and 468 hundredths.
Wait, what do you mean? 14 plus 16.
So sorry, thousands.
Oh my goodness, math.
Yeah?
5 point.
5 point. Okay, we've got 2 answers there. I saw someone like 4. Which one is that? Who says the top one? Who says the top one?
Why do you say the top?
Who says the bottom one?
Wait, what?
Okay, grab out your calculators. What I want you to do is
It should be using the bottom one.
That's
do this on your calculator for me.
Okay, it's not one. I bet you it's
Do that on your calculator for me if you have one handy. 468 divided by 1,000.
0.468.
Yep. Okay, so this is the right answer. Now, if my bottom, if my denominator was 10,000, then it would be this top one.
Yes.
Okay, but the bottom one. All right. Cool. Getting the hang of it?
Yeah.
All right. Make sure you have those in your books, please. We're going to do a couple of textbook questions in the last 7 minutes of the lesson.